The Supreme Court will today hear over 140 petitions against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act. A three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bodbey will examine the constitutional validity of the law. According to media reports, the petitions contain that CAA stands against the basic structure of the constitution and is illegal. China's National Health Commission today said that 440 people in 13 Chinese provinces were confirmed to be infected with a new coronavirus, with 9 deaths, and that there was evidence of respiratory transmission from patient to patient. According to media reports, the World Health Organization called a meeting today to consider declaring a global health emergency. With a rise in the outbreak of coronavirus cases in China's Wuhan, the Health Ministry has written to External Affairs Ministry seeking details of travelers from Wuhan city who have sought visa to travel to India before December 31st of 2019. As per media reports, the Health Ministry also asked the External Affairs Ministry to counsel the applicants while issuing visa. 8 tourists, including 4 minors from Kerala, died in Nepal after they fell unconscious, probably due to a gas leak from a heater in their room at the mountainous resort, report said. According to reports, a group of 15 tourists from Kerala were on their way back home and stayed at Everest Panorama Resort in Daman of Makawanpur district in Nepal on the night of January 20 when the incident took place. US President Donald Trump yesterday said he was talking about the situation in Kashmir with Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan and will certainly be helping, a remark that came ahead of a meeting of the two leaders on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum in Davos. Trump made the remarks at a media briefing before talks with Khan, who the US President described as his very good friend.